Hi everyone, I got these pretty little barrel shaped crystals and I'm going to make a set of earrings with them and some freshwater pearls that I bought a long time ago. Can't remember what the name of the place was because I put IP in there and I don't know what that was, but it was a certain company that we bought the pearls from. And because I was in a group that did group buys, so yeah, I was in a group that did group buys. So I don't know what the name, something IP, something maybe integrity or something. I don't know. But they were really pretty shaped pearls. I'm going to take a pearl, and these just so happen to fit on this wire, and I'm not sure what gauge it is. It doesn't say. But generally pearls have a little tiny hole in it, you see. And sometimes you just cannot get them on the wire. So 22 or 24 gauge wire usually. And we're going to use a snowflake, one of our barrels, a snowflake, and another pearl. And then we'll do the other one. Take a pearl. They sort of have a shape to them. They're sort of round on one side and flat on the other side. I know it was that company that we got them from, but I don't remember what the name was. But they were really nice, pretty much uniform pearls. Every once in a while you get a wonky one, but that was rare. They're pretty uniform, and so I really want to do a twist on this. Let's see if we can, because this wire, last time I tried it, it was quite stiff. And it might have just been the pack I picked up. You want to go like that. Should be turned back just a little bit so it looks like that. I hope y'all saw that. Sounds like the neighborhood's getting ready to shoot off their fireworks. Oops. Just be careful whenever you get to the pearl or bead or whatever you are using if you do it this way, because I have broke many a bead. And it didn't take much to do it either. Alright, there's one. Let's do the other one. Just make sure you have it pushed down. Go around. You want it to look like that. With a little gap up here at the top for your wrap. Always leave a gap if you're doing it this way, because otherwise you're going to hit your bead at the top. I'm gonna have to cut this one. I keep saying I need to get new wire cutters, but I haven't been anywhere to get them. I wonder if I got it cut good enough that it'll break. Let's see if I've got it cut good enough that it'll break. We'll hold it there. And if it did, then I can just push that wire on down. Yeah. Sometimes you get it cut good enough that you can get it the rest of the way. Okay. Now, since we put the silver spacers on it, I'm going to use the silver ear wires. And just twist it up. And then these are needle nose pliers. And I think I bought them at Harbor Freight or somewhere like that. I'm not sure. And I don't know where I got these, but you can find them at any craft store. Probably these too. And these are flush cutters. Find them in a craft store. That's really all you really need to get started. Alright. This one can hang on like that, and you twist it back. Always twist open. I'd say these are they open and different? Okay, here's an example. This one must have come from a different pack. I knew I had some that opened up a different way. This one opened here on the back side. You see? See where it opened right here on the back side? Well, this one about broke it because it opens on the front. So I'm not going to use that one, but you see, they can open either way. Hopefully this one opens on the back. Yep, that way they match. I knew I wasn't losing my mind. I picked up some the other day and I thought, why are these opening this way? So they can open either way. They can open on the front or on the back. Well, there's our simple little pearl and crystal earrings, and I appreciate y'all watching, and if you stuck it out to the end, I really appreciate it. Like and subscribe, it helps me out. And until next time, y'all take care out there. And y'all have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.